Hey, DIY enthusiasts! Are you ready to give your living space a fresh, trendy makeover without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you through some of the most loved DIY projects that are not only easy, but will transform your home into a masterpiece of style and comfort. First up, let's talk about the charm of hairpin furniture legs. Yes, you heard that right. Swapping out old, bulky legs on furniture like TV stands or nightstands with sleek, minimalist hairpin legs can dramatically uplift the look of any room. It's super simple and makes a huge difference in making your furniture look chic and modern. Next, who doesn't love a quick kitchen or bathroom makeover? Peel and stick tile decals are your best friend here. With a variety of patterns and colors available, you can easily add a splash of personality to your backsplash or floors. Imagine transforming your kitchen's vibe over the weekend with some stylish terrazzo or Moroccan-inspired tiles. Plus, it's an absolute breeze to apply these. Moving to the walls, why not embrace the beauty of macrame? Macrame wall hangings, plant hangers, or even fruit baskets add a touch of bohemian elegance to any space. The best part? You can choose from different patterns and colors of macrame cord to match your decor. It's not just about aesthetics. Macrame also offers a soothing, therapeutic crafting experience. And let's not forget about resin art. This is a craft trend that's gaining massive popularity for its mesmerizing, glossy finish and the freedom it offers to encapsulate objects into beautiful pieces of art. Whether it's creating coasters, trays, or even wall art, working with resin allows you to unleash your creativity in vibrant, exciting ways. Lastly, for those of you who love a bit of texture and dimension, punch needle embroidery is a must-try. It's not only therapeutic, but also lets you create plush patterns that are visually appealing and unique. From pillow covers to wall decor, the possibilities are endless. Remember, crafting is not just about the end product. It's about the fun and fulfillment during the process. So, roll up your sleeves, unleash your creativity, and let's make your home a beautiful reflection of who you are. Happy crafting, everyone!